Hi, I'm Lucy and I'm going to be showing you my pet budgie. His name's Joey and he's a boy. Joey! Joey! What? Joey! Hi, Joey. Bye-bye, Joey. Bye-bye. Bye. Hope if you think he's cute, add a comment, and if you think he's not cute, don't like it. If you think you love it, subscribe and comment. Bye.